Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to purchase metals using the online portal. So first you want to log into your account, then you want to scroll down and look for the quick links box, then click on make an investment. From here you want to scroll all the way down, click precious metals, click next. Now a few things to note before we proceed. So first you want to go ahead and contact any precious metals dealer in the United States of your choice. We work with all of them. Then you want to ask them to generate an invoice for the metals you're going to purchase. They will send you that invoice. Then on that invoice, you're going to write read and approved with your signature and date in the blank space in the bottom corner. You will have to upload this invoice during this investment request submission, and we'll get to that shortly. Another thing to note is that you have to submit this investment request within 1 to 2 business days from the date you've locked in the pricing with the precious metals dealer. Now we're going to go ahead and click on this space under Entrust account to select which account we want to use to purchase the metals. Then scroll down, click on this box here, click next. On this page, you're going to go ahead and select the depository you want to use to hold the metals. So basically, once you submit this investment request, we will send the funds to the precious metals dealer. The dealer will then ship the metals to the depository. So we want to go ahead and select which depository we want to use. We work with 4, and if you select the location along with the storage type. By the way, the difference between the allocated and segregated storage, with allocated, clients are guaranteed the same metal type, weight, and year, if applicable, that were delivered into the account. The metals are not separated from the metals stored in other clients' accounts. This is the least expensive option. For segregated, clients are guaranteed the exact metals that were delivered into the account. The metals are separated from other clients' holdings in a separate space. This is going to be the most expensive option. So today we're just going to go ahead and select allocated, and once you make these selections, you will see the price breakdown right here. And then you can change it to segregated and you'll see the price difference. And you can go ahead and price out the different depository options, and you'll see there. So today we're just going to go ahead and go with this one. And then you will scroll down, indicate how you want to pay the depository fee. Keep in mind the depository fee is a separate fee from our record keeping fee. And so you just want to indicate how you want to pay those. So we'll just select IRA, click the box here, click next. And from here, you're going to enter the precious metals dealer information. So today we're going to go ahead and select Colonial. The information will already be pre-populated there. For dealer representative, you can just enter NA, click next. In this section, you can specify the details of the metals you're purchasing, or you can select this box right here, which will take the purchase details from the dealer invoice you will upload. And then you'll just scroll down, you'll enter the amount you are spending to purchase the metals. If there are any special instructions, you can add them there. You'll just click this box and enter them there. If not, you can leave it as is. Here is where you're going to upload the invoice from the dealer. So let's go ahead and upload that. Obviously, this is not an invoice. This is just to show as an example. Click next. Now the dealer information will be pre-populated there, as well as their wire information. So we can send a wire to them or cut a check. If you're unsure, you will have to contact the dealer and ask them to confirm how they want us to send the funds. Then you'll just click on next. On this page, you'll see all the fees. So we're going to spend $3,500, and there's going to be that $30 outgoing wire fee. Then you'll have to indicate how you want to pay the fees, and then click next. Then on this last page, you want to read all the disclosures and acknowledgments, and then click on the boxes. All boxes have to be checked. And then you'll just go ahead and click on submit. And there you go. You've submitted an investment request to purchase metals. At this point, we're going to review the investment submission in 2 to 3 business days. At that point, if everything is in order, we will process it. Then we'll need an additional 1 to 2 business days before we book the asset in the account. Keep in mind, when we book the asset, it's going to be an escrow asset, meaning it's going to show the name of the dealer and it's not going to show the specific metals. Once the metals are delivered from the dealer to the depository, then we will go ahead and update the metals and it'll show the specific metals in the account. This can take 1, 2, 3, or 4 weeks to process. It really depends on how fast the dealer ships the metals to the depository. So if you want a status update on that, you're more than welcome to reach out to the dealer directly. And that is how you purchase precious metals in the online portal. Thank you.